Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to draw a pie chart of a given data. So let's start with this question. The following data gives the monthly expenditure of a family. On rent they spend 6,000 rupees, food and clothing 3,000, education 1,000, electricity, water and taxes 500 and on miscellaneous 1,500. So we will draw a pie chart of this data. Before we draw the pie chart, let us find out the total expenditure of this family. So we have draw the table item expenditure. Expenditure is we call this as frequency. Here we will find out the central angle, but before this we need to find out the total frequency. So 6,000 plus 3,000 is 9,000, 10,000, 10,000 plus 500, 10,500 plus 1,500, that is 12,000. So the total of this frequency is rupees 12,000. Now we need to find out the central angle for each of the following item. So formula for the central angle is central angle is equal to frequency divided by total frequency. Total frequency multiplied by 360 degree. This is the formula, frequency upon total frequency divided by 360 degree. So here frequency is what? 6,000. Here frequency is 6,000 divided by total frequency, that is 12,000. 6,000 over 12,000 multiplied by 360 degree. So 30 cancelled with 30. Now 12 ones are 12, 12 threes are 36 and 10 30 degree. 30 multiplied by 6 is 180 degree. So central angle for rent is 180 degree. Now for food and clothing, what is the frequency here? 3,000 and total frequency 12,000 multiplied by 360 degree. 360 degree because the sum of all the angles in a circle is 360 degree, that's why 360. 30 cancelled with 30, 12 ones are 12, 12 threes are 36, 10 degree. Now 33s are 90 degree. For education, frequency is 1,000, total frequency 12,000 multiplied by 360 degree. So 30 cancelled with 30, 12 ones are 12, 12 threes are 36 or 30 degree. So 30 degree angle, central angle for education. And electricity, water and taxes 500 divided by 12,000 multiplied by 360 degree. 20 cancelled with 20, 10 from here. Now 12 ones are 12, 12 threes are 36. Now 5 threes are 15 degree. For miscellaneous, frequency is 1,500, total frequency is 12,000 multiplied by 360 degree. 20 cancelled with 20, 10 from here. Now 12 ones are 12, 12 threes are 36, 15 threes are 45 क्योंकि डिग्री में है that degree. So we have already calculated the central angle for rent is 180, food and clothing 90 degree, for education it is 30 degree, electricity, water and taxes 15 degree, for miscellaneous it is 45 degree. Now we will draw these central angle in a circle and that we will call pie chart. So first draw a circle. Now the first angle is 180 degree, that is for rent. As we know that 180 degree is a straight line. So how we will draw? we will coincide this point and the center of the circle must coincide. It is a straight line, na? So we can draw a straight line without measuring. Draw a straight line. Okay, so this is 180 degree from here to here. This is 180 degree, and for what? This is for rent. Again, now food and clothing, it is 90 degree. Now this point and this point will coincide, and like this. The 0 degree line will coincide with this line and this point with this, and both line coincide over each other. Now where is 90? Here. Here. So we will join these 2 points. This is 90 degree. 90 degree for what? Food and clothing. Next is education. Angle is 30 degree. Now this point will coincide with this point, and just 0 degree line will be over this line. So place your protractor like this, so that this point will coincide with the center and this line with the 0 degree line over this line. So 30 degree, 0, 10, 20 and 30. Here it is 30. Now join this dot to the, this is our 30 degree angle. This is for education. Next is electricity, water and taxes, and angle, central angle is 15 degree. Again, what we will do? We will coincide this 0 degree line over this line, 0 degree line over this line, and this dot at this point. So place your D like this, so that this point and the center of D must coincide, and the 0 degree line over this line. Now 15 degree. This is 0, 10, 20. So in between 10 and 20 there is this line that is of 5. So 10 or 5, 15. Now join these two. This is 15 degree, and this is for electricity, water and taxes. And this remaining angle will be of 45 degree. You can measure. See, this is already of 45 degree. This is because the sum of all the angle is of 360 degree. That's why it remain only of 45 degree. And for what it is? For miscellaneous. So the pie chart for this question is complete. So let us do one more question of pie chart. Question is, the marks obtained by a student in different subjects are given below. In subject, these are the subject name and these are the marks obtained. In English, 60 marks, Mathematics 90, Science and Technology 75, Social Science 50 and Second Language 85. Here in this question, the total of all the marks is means total of frequency is also given, that is 360. So we need to find out central angle for each of the subject. Then we will draw pie chart. Let's start. So this is the table. Here subject's name, marks obtained. This is also called frequency. Here we will find out the central angle. The formula for central angle is frequency divided by total frequency multiplied by the 360 degree. So for English, the frequency is 60 and the total of all the marks is 360, means total frequency is 360. So formula central angle is frequency divided by total frequency. That means 60 divided by 360 multiplied by 360 degree. 360 1 जा 360, 360 1 जा 1 degree. क्योंकि यहाँ degree है, that why we will write degree. 60 into 1 degree is 60 degree. For mathematics, frequency is 90 and total frequency is 360 multiplied by 360 degree. Again this cancelled out, only 1 degree will remain here. 360 1 is 360, so 1 degree into 90 is 90 degree. Next is 75 upon my total value, that is 360 multiplied by 360 degree. 360 1 is 360, 360 1 is 360, 75 1 is 75 degree. Next is 50 over 360 multiplied by 360 degree. 360 1 is 360, 360 1 is 360. 50 into 1 degree is 50 degree. Last is 85 upon 365 multiplied 360 है, this is 360 into 360 degree. Get cancelled, only 1 degree remain here. 1 degree into 85 is 85 degree. Now we will draw the pie chart of this given data. So for that we need to draw a circle. We have already drawn a circle. Now the first, for English marks, central angle is 60 degree. With the help of a protractor we will draw 60 degree angle. First we will draw a line joining center of the circle to any point on the circle. Now what we will do, we will we have to draw angle 60 degree, central angle, that is central angle for English. So for that we need to coincide this point to center of the circle and just this 0 degree line to this line, so that this point overlap over the center of circle and this 0 degree line over the radius. Now 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Here is 60. We will write a dot here and now we will join. We will not go out of the circle. So this is 60 degree and this is for English. After English mathematics, angle is 90 degree. So now we will shift our compass like this. We will again the same, we will follow the same rule. This point must coincide center of the circle and this 0 degree line over this line. And calculate 90. Here it is 90. Then center to this point gives 90 degree. Or you can first draw the 90 degree angle and do this. This is 90 degree for mathematics. Now next angle is 75 degree. Again this point must coincide center of circle and this 0 degree line over this line. And read 75. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, this is 80. In between 70 and 80 there is a line. This is of 5. So we will dot here and join this point to the center of the circle. But we will not go out of circle. So this is 75 degree. For which subject? Science and technology. Next is social science. Angle, central angle for social science is 50 degree. Again this point will coincide center and just 0 degree line over this. And read 50. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is 50. Join this. But within circle only. This is 50 degree. And this is for social science. Next is second language. And the central angle for second language is 85 degree. We will do the same procedure. Center will coincide to this point and this 0 degree line over this. This will automatically of 85 degree. As you see, this angle is already of 85 degree. Because the sum of all the angles in a circle is 360 degree. So it will be of 85 degree. This is for second language. You can also color these with different color, or instead of writing this English, Hindi, you can also color with the different colors and write, like for social science I use this color, so we will write social science. For English I use yellow color. So do like this. I think the concept of pie chart is clear to you. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends.